Good morning, everybody. It's Joe with Stainless Steel Joe in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're finished with the kinetic tree. There's the top of it with the detailed flowers, all stainless steel. Detail on the trunk of the tree. The trunk was hard. I tried something different this time. I formed it by heating it and hammering it. And that's the way I was able to get those valleys. Heat it up with a torch and hammer it with a hammer, a power hammer, not a regular hammer. And everywhere there's a brace inside, you'll see a mark. You just follow that line and it creates a valley. And that's what gives it the character right there. We made a little front porch with a door. There's a door on the other side to get in. We're going to put lights in it. See the tabs to mount it on the bottom. This is the side back here. This was the first piece that I did. The stainless steel is what they call a textured stainless steel. It's not regular. It has a grain in it that looks like a tree bark. The flowers are all water jetted. We have a water jet company here, and they did them all perfectly. We made the leaves, cut those by hand, did all the spirals. The port on the end there is where the lights go. Each post gets a light. Some are going to shine up towards the center and some are going to shine down. But there's a lot of detail, a lot of detail. There's the bottom of the tree. Now I'm going to move pretty quick here because I don't like long videos. Here's the top of the tree. It's kinetic, so it's going to spin when the wind blows. This is going in the back of a house on the intercoastal in Boca Raton, Florida. The wind blows, it's going to hit the birds, and it's going to spin. It's on a hub with ceramic ball bearings, because it's on the ocean. A lot of salt water. Salt water will eat away everything. That's why we use 316 stainless. We have a nice radical looking bird at the top there. Going to do an acrylic inlay in there. UV acrylics are good. They last in the sun. Kinetic metal art. Love metal art. Thanks for watching. Check out our website, metalartsouthflorida.com or stainlesssteeljoe.com. Talk to you soon.